up, y'all? It's Ari and I'm back with another video. Back. And guess what, y'all? Over with. New hair video. I got some hair from Ishow hair. Yes, let's see what it is. Oh, y'all, this box is cute. It like gives you directions on how to wash the hair and all that. Oh, nice. But yeah, y'all, I got this wig right here. I'm gonna leave all of the details in the description box below. But y'all, do y'all see this wig? It was packaged so pretty. Like, oh my gosh, I love when the hair is packaged nice. Like, it don't be nothing wrong. Like, look at this. They got this in there for the lace. The wig is so flowy. I literally did not even brush it yet, and it's just flowing. It's shiny, bouncy. It looks so good, like so good. And y'all, the lace, oh my gosh. Y'all know how I feel about the lace. Like, it looks good. Like, the lace is perfect. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pluck it a little bit, and then we're gonna put this thing on. So I kind of straightened the wig just a little bit, like just a little bit, just so you know I can maneuver it and all that. I bleached the knots. You can't really tell because I tinted it, of course, to kind of match me. I already did some plucking and stuff, and the wig still feels nice from all of that. Still silky, still completely full. Like, look at that. This wig is bomb. Okay, y'all know I love me some wigs. It come with combs in it and a little strap in the back with an extra comb for security, because we don't want that. We don't want that. Okay, so we cut that off. And now what we're gonna do now is just go ahead and put this on our head and then try to cut the flaps off, because we don't want that. And then I'm also gonna use an elastic band for security, because like I said, I don't wanna glue it. It's too hot here in Atlanta, too hot. So I'm gonna just go ahead and fit the wig on and cut off my flaps. Cinderella, is that you? No, I'm just playing. But yeah, so just go ahead, fit it to your liking. It fit real good, y'all. Like, I didn't even adjust the straps in the back. I just pretty much just put it on just how it is, and it fit good. And you know, y'all, I barely gotta cut off any ear flaps. That's what's up. So I just gotta cut off this little piece. So I'm gonna actually do that while it's off my head, since it feel pretty fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the flaps off my head, and then I'm gonna come back when I put the elastic band. So y'all, when y'all do y'all elastic band, you want to put it kind of like right here from the wig. Like on the ear flap, you kind of want to put it right here. Well, at least that's what I do, because that way you don't feel the elastic band behind your ear, and it's still pulling the wig for security. So I feel like it really works, and my wigs always feel good and snug when I do it that way. So and then after that, you just cut the string and knot it. So I cut the lace off because it's just easier to work with like that. Just go ahead and put it on. So y'all, the wig feels real good, like real good. I'm gonna just come up a little bit and adjust it to my liking. All right, y'all, so I like how it feels and everything. So now I'm about to go in and just do some baby hair, pretty much. Okay, so the baby hairs are out, and this is pretty much all I want to put in. I'm gonna just go ahead and pluck a little bit more, since it's easier to pluck and see like this. So razor them a little bit, just so they're not too thick, because we don't want like really thick baby hair. An inch or less when you're doing your baby hair. I kind of do like an inch or less. Take this. Edges kind of like how we want them. Not too much, but enough, you know. So now you're gonna go ahead and use your phone. Excess hair out of place so it can be molded down, because that's what really gives you like that sleek look. Like that real sleek look is after you mold. oil spray and give it a little spray. Brush it down, brush it down, brush it down, brush it down. And then we're just gonna go ahead and just start ironing it. It looks so good. It's so nice. You want to take your wax stick because it helps mold the hair and shape it to the part you want when you're about to hot comb. So you want to make sure that you use your wax stick because it really helps in parting too. So go ahead and just hot comb down on both sides. Y'all see how sleek that wax stick gets the hair? Like, it gets the hair really sleek. Like, as you can see, a little bit bumpy, sleek. Like, it gets it real sleek. And if you make an accident like me, where I kind of bleached it too much in the top part, y'all gonna see how I correct it, and it's so easy. So good. Look at that. Look at this hair, y'all. Okay, y'all, so now it's time to perfect our part because we can't go out with no part looking like this. Like, we definitely cannot go out with a part looking like this. So let me show y'all a little hack to get y'all part real nice. So y'all gonna take some makeup, any concealer of your choice or foundation, anything like that, and get a skinny little brush like this, skinny brush. So what y'all gonna do is come up on your part. You ain't gonna leave it like this. This is too thick. That don't look good. You're not gonna leave it this thick. You're gonna take you some black hairspray. Any black hairspray brand that you like, anything. You're gonna hold your rat tail comb like this and spray, okay? So that's it, y'all. Give it a little spritz, you know, for longevity. But that's pretty much it. Like, that's pretty much it. So guys, if your lace isn't blending or something, you literally go in the powder of your skin tone. You go in and you just dab it. Like, literally dab a little bit and it'll fade in. Like, it'll just fade in. So now it matches my skin tone and it looks flawless. Thanks for watching this video. I love y'all and I can't wait to see y'all in the next video.